What's going on, people? Welcome back to yet another bird park video, this time from Bali in Indonesia. Obviously none of you really watch my bird park videos, but I'm gonna continue to make them in whatever country I visit because I love birds, all kinds of birds. So let's see if we can find any new birds today, any unseen new birds, and let's see how much the ticket is as well. Hi, can I have a ticket please? Oh, 1,300 birds and 250 species. All right. And how big is this park in size?
2 hectares.
2 hectares.
2
Okay.
hectares. This is the
350,000. Okay. Hello, mate. This way? Yeah. Thank you. Just coming in and greeted by this blue parrot. What's up? So they have different activities. I'm probably not going to do the activities. She said scan this QR code for the activities. Maybe you can scan it. The Lori Harvey bird or something like that. And here we have this eagle. Some sort of eagle. Let me use my phone for this because I need to zoom in on this rascal. Hello. And my personal favorite, you know. Look, it's gonna talk for us now. You guys seen the myna birds here? They can be a little bit aggressive though. Hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, it doesn't like it. Maybe it's doing it on purpose because it just wants to be left alone. Hello, mate. We have some next green parrot here. And this one.
You want to try to hold the bird, sir?
Yeah, maybe this one. This red and black one.
Yeah. Stay here for there, yeah?
Yeah, okay, man. So this is a Pacau. I mean, this is from Pacau. And
Aqua.
Pacua.
Aqua.
Pacua. And what is the name?
Pasquet parrot.
Lovely. Was it born here? You had it since birth?
Yeah, one here.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you, man. Okay. More Lori Harveys. Yes, bro. The Hans Macau, for sure. Crimson winged parrot. There we are. The bare-eyed cockatoo. Where are you, cockatoo? Wow, look at this one. The ground hornbill. This is a massive one. Some dinosaur. The violet turaco. I think they should all be free, you know. God knows. Oh, here's another myna bird. Here's another myna bird, and it's actually talking. Don't chat. Say that again. Come here, come here. Wait, let me come to you. And then? I saw your brother in Phuket. So here we have the Senegal parrot. Wow. The Senegal parrot. Probably from Senegal. Hello. Hello. Hello, morning. So let's carry on to the Oriental Honey Buzzard. The Nicobar Pigeon. It's like a mix of peacock and pigeon. Greater cocoa. So next up we have, I don't know how to pronounce this, some starling bank. I think they got the birds mixed up for this one. Look, this is the picture, and what you see here is nothing like it. This one defo ain't seen before. Look at this. And here obviously the free roaming peacocks. Let's see what's in this house. Maybe some more birds. Oh, they have owls. The GoPro won't see this, but look, let me do it on my phone. Sundascops? Where are you? Oh, I love this one. The barred eagle. So now here we have the brown wood. That's what she said. What's up, bro? Come. Okay. Fair enough. And then here the buffy fish. Man like buffy fish. See you guys. The owls probably like it in the dark. That's why they keep them in the house. I don't know why they left it outside in Malaysia though. Remember, in Malaysia they just had it outside. So let's carry on, guys. Next up we have the little friar bird. The magpie robin. Okay, it's an active one. The classic, the Oriental pied hornbill. This is the one we saw in Malaysia. Alright. Oh my god. Oh fuck, man. I got shook for a sec. Didn't see it coming. And yet another hornbill. The Sulawesi whatever. And finally the last hornbill. It's a similar one actually. I thought we're done with the hornbills, but look, the rhinoceros hornbill. It's probably my favorite. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite hornbill. Wow. So moving on from the hornbills, we have the landscaping in progress. The Marabou stork. Man-like. And next up we have the Javan hawk eagle. It's my guy over here. So let's go in here, some next room, the Dorong room. Yo, I can't believe it. Some black pelican. Hello, mate. I just spotted the Queen Victoria Elizabeth bird, the beatboxing bird. Remember from Dubai?
Sorry? We've got one on the head right now. Finishing off his breakfast. These birds are not scared of people, that's what they flew over to.
This one, this blue bird, what's the name of it?
This one?
Yeah.
Crown pigeon.
Crown pigeon.
Yeah.
Okay.
The biggest pigeon in the world.
Yeah.
From Papa.
I saw it in Dubai. It can beatbox, yeah?
Yes.
It does like...
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And this one, Southern, Western, different color.
Okay. If you watch my Dubai video, the bird park video I made in Dubai, you'll see them beatboxing. You'll see this bird beatboxing. It came up to me and starts beatboxing like... That's their form of greeting, probably. Yes, mate. Let me just get past you on a normal one. Look, there's some yellow bird. Oh, it's gone now. They are staying all the way there, so you can't see them. Let me try zoom in on this white one. In Dubai, it's like an indoor rainforest. They recreated the rainforest indoors, and they have all these different birds. I think what we just saw is this one, the Asian pied starling. Here's some regular duck. Look, this is the yellow bird I was going on about, but it flew away earlier. Let me try zoom in on it. Not bad. So let's carry on. They have a temple here as well. So that was this little room. Love how they had a temple in the middle of it. Bali has a lot of temples. That's the first thing actually that stood out to me when I arrived in Bali. Obviously this is my first time. What is this? King bird of paradise. The paradise king. The king of paradise. Next up, the 12-wired bird of paradise. Who comes up with these names though? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there it is, all the way in the back. Wow. Next up, the lesser bird of paradise. Yes, family. The greater bird of paradise. Where is it though? Here's another bird you never seen before. The Malayo fowl. Yes, guys. Wow, look at this. Some rainbow bird. Wow. Let's find out what the name is. Knobhead hornbill. Obviously not. That's something else. I don't know what it is, but if you know, let me know. The Gala cockatoo. And here we have the rainbow bird. Let me know what bird this is. There's no signs to tell me. I really want to know. Look, here you can see it. This guy proper wants the screen time. You want some screen time. Alright, now going to the exit. I think this is it. Actually, finally, we have this pelican. I mean flamingo. There's some show going on.
The female lays her egg in the cavity of a tree and unveils herself using mud and their feathers. The male will feed the female through the small hole that left by the female. After the baby is strong enough and ready to get a competition with the other birds, the female will open the mud and let the baby out to fly. Okay, let's see again. How Jack catch the fruit in the mid-air? I'm birdie. Oke, kita lihat lagi ya. He's coming. 1, 2, 3. So high. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Now please focus to Bruno, the big one. Bruno also will try to catch the fruit that are thrown by his trainer. And please help me to count how many slices of fruit Bruno is able to catch. Oke, fokus ke Bruno sekarang ya. Bantu saya untuk menghitung. Are you ready? Okay, everyone. So now let's count together. Bruno, start now. 1, and then 2. Next, 3. Again, 4, and then 5. The last one, bonus for Bruno. 6 slices of fruit today. He got it all. We didn't have to train Bruno to do this. He actually counts the fruit by following his instinct to survive just like in the wild. Thanks a lot, Mr. Sada. Once again, a round of applause for our special on Bill.
Look at this pelican, or whatever that is.
Seems like the other stuff. And have a look. The head is bald. It is not his at all bad. Actually, this is their natural characteristic. This bird has long legs and also long bill because this bird feed in the river as tourists or throughout land. But sometimes this species also enjoy eating dead animals and also carrion. This bird looks silent, but he will clatter his bill when he feels danger. Nah, ini adalah sabu jenis bangau marabu. Ini termasuk burung air ya. Memiliki paruh dan kaki yang panjang, digunakan untuk berburu makanannya, yaitu ikan, rawa,